For home office expense, I believe a lot of us, or maybe most of us, have been working from home during the COVID-19 period. And here are just some of the items that you might want to look into when you're trying to claim a home office expense in your tax return. So here are the two common methods that we have. One is shortcut method, the other is fixed rate method. For shortcut method, it is actually an approach that was introduced by the ATO during the COVID-19 period. It was initially applied from 1st of March to 30th of June 2020. However, because of the COVID period that seems never ending, it is now being extended up until 30th of June 2022. And whether or not it will be extended beyond 2022, we have yet to hear back from the ATO. But for now, you can still apply it up until 30th of June 2022. And by simply looking at the cents per hour that you can claim, which is 80 cents versus 52 cents, you might think that the shortcut method will definitely be the best method to go with. But is that really the case? We will see. So for example, here we have laid out the comparison between shortcut method and fixed rate method. For shortcut method, it is very straightforward. It is 80 cents per hour and it is all inclusive. It includes your utility, your phone, internet, computer, and other home office expenses. But for fixed rate method, it is 52 cents per hour plus other home office expenses. And to walk you through an example, here we have Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith works from home for 30 hours a week and for 40 weeks during the year. Other than that, he also purchased a printer of $250, and he also paid for his phone and internet package for $150 per month. So under the shortcut method, what Mr. Smith will do is he will use the 30 hours times 40 weeks times the rate of 80 cents per hour, and that gives him a total of $960 to claim. Under the fixed rate method, it is similar to work out the cents per hour, which you use 30 hours times 40 cents times 52 cents, but you got to plus the other home office expense. So here we have printer of $250, and for the phone and internet package of $150 per month times 12 months and 50%. So what 50% represents here is actually the business use percentage. So for all home office expense or any related expense related to your work, you need to apportion it to the business use percentage. For all private nature, you can't really claim it. So this is how we got up to the total to be claimed of 1,774. So as you can see from this example, Mr. Smith is better off to claim it under the fixed rate method instead of using the shortcut method. And whether or not that will be the case for you, you might have to assess it based on your personal circumstances.